Headwaters in the city of Pickering at the Pickering Museum Village. And we're checking out the War on Whiskey tour, which is a really cool multi-part experience that combines a driving tour and a walking tour to explore the wild and seedy history of Pickering's part in prohibition-era alcohol smuggling, and combines things from photo exhibits to live action to cool tours of the village where you can interact with some of the characters from the Roaring 20s. So we're going to be exploring that, and we're going to be taking you guys along for the ride. So come on and let's see how it works. We've made it through a decade of the seediest history of Pickering and York Durham, and we've seen the battles between the Puritans and the bootleggers. And it's been a fascinating trip here. I know the kids have loved it. They've had this amazing scavenger hunt that they've been able to do. And I've had a lot of fun because the people who are on site making this experience, this village experience, a reality have been absolutely hilarious. You can tell that they're having a great time, just like we were. And we can't wait to move on to the next part, which is the walking tour that's going to explore a little bit deeper into the aspects of this Prohibition War on Whiskey experience here at Pickering Museum Village.
Hundreds when people were pioneers, okay, they were just building their houses and selling their farms. Did you know that milk was super expensive because a lot of people did not have cows? So milk was incredibly expensive. And so guess what people drank all the time with their meals? What do you have to drink when you have a meal? What do you have?
Water.
Water? And do you have water as well? Well, if you'd lived in the 1800s, you'd have been drinking beer. Woohoo!
So after our driving tour of the Pickering Museum Village, we did an awesome walking tour where we got an even more in-depth understanding of all the crazy prohibition shenanigans that happened here in Pickering and how this county kind of differed from all the other villages and cities that were around it. It was super fun, super exciting. I want to thank Katrina?
Yes.
Katrina for telling us all the stories about
How to get away.
Jack and the Frenchman's Bay. And Katrina, do you mind just telling us all a little bit about the other tours that you offer here?
Sure. We offer 45-minute themed tours to the public. Pre-booked, we have an Anne of Green Gables or an Anne of Pickering tour about Anne of Green Gables. We have Glad Rags and Giggle Juice, which is the 1920s. We've got early settlement in Pickering called Pickering's Past. We have a Halloween one. We have a Christmas one. But we also have one running all summer that is specifically for children called The History Detective, with puzzles and riddles to solve.
Fantastic, thank you. So if you love history and you love getting outside and having a good time, head on down to Pickering Museum Village and see what they have on offer. And we'll catch you next time on Wandering Waggers Adventure Family Travel. Take care.